Good morning, family. I thought I'd show you how to make banana pancakes the old way and using overripe bananas, so you don't have to throw them away anymore. So I've got 3 overripe bananas here, which I've peeled and taken the strings off as well. Got 2 eggs, and I've got plain flour, which I'll use 1.5 cups, and I've got plain sugar, so I'll put a couple of tablespoons of that in there, and then we just add a bit of water if we need. Okay, so anyway, I'm going to mash them. So how do I mash them? I use the bottom of a tough jar, and basically I mash them until they're pulverized. Big word there. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and I'll just stop the video for a moment so I can get on with the mashing. Okay, so I've pulverized the banana, and I'll just show you. It looks like that. Add some flour. Most of it's banana, so just do 1 cup of plain flour. We'll sift it. Add our 2 eggs, and I'll just add 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to guesstimate it. And then we mix that into a batter, okay, till there's very little or no lumps. Okay, I'll press pause. Alright, I'm going to mix into a batter now. I used to cook these when I was 7 years old with my grandmother. This is the Samoan way. Okay, I'll keep doing this until it's mostly smooth, okay? Okay, so I've mixed it up and it basically looks like that. We don't have to add any water. Looks a little bit lumpy, but that's because of the banana. See, there's no dry flour left. I've given it a good mix. Okay, I'll take you over to the stovetop. I usually like a medium heat on these. Not too low and not too high because we don't want it to burn. We use a bit of olive oil because it's more healthy, and you know, this is a non-stick pan, so it makes life easy. And small bananas are easier to cook than small pancakes easier to cook than larger ones because they're easier to control. Alright, and I just put them in sort of a clockwise. That way I know where each cooking is up to. Alright, so smaller is better. Not quite hot enough yet, but anyway, we'll see. Yeah, I've turned it up to 3/4 because I wanted the oil to heat up a bit quicker. Yeah, starting to crackle now. And I only have to turn these once, okay? So once the bubbles start coming through the side of the pancake, I know it's time to turn it. And it's non-stick, so I'm using a non-stick implement, utensil. Yeah, I'll take it closer so you can see. You see it's bubbling away there, and we might see some bubbles come through. The alternative to bubbles coming through is when the sides get brown, okay? I'll press pause. Take it close again. Okay, so there's some bubbles coming through, but also you can see the side of the pancake's getting brown, so they're ready to turn over. Okay, so it's a mid tan rather than black. Okay. Okay, I've turned them, and just want to show you. So maybe I had to heat up a bit too much there, but you know, it takes a bit of time. So I've turned it back down to 6, which is half on this stove, and you can see part of it is cooked on this side, but not very brown. So I prefer a better tan than that. I'll bring you back when I've done the whole lot, and you can see. Okay. All right. Okay, I just want to show you, so I've got a bit too much heat on a couple of those, but still edible, and these ones here are perfect, so I'm going to take them out now and do another batch. Okay, thanks family. Yeah, put another batch in, and I made them round this time, and you can see the air bubbles are coming through, and the sides are getting dry, so it's going to be ready to turn. I will turn a few and see what they look like. Like I gotta turn them pretty quickly now. But anyway, this is not a rush job. This is takes time and a little bit of patience. Because looks when it cooks. Alright. They're too brown, but never mind. Still edible. Okay. Yep, and then we'll put them on some kitchen paper, so that way the grease is drained out. Okay. It's going to be yummy with a cup of tea or with ice cream on top. Whatever you like.